How you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And one of the sources that I use a lot is this website called swling.com, all lowercase, and it's shortwave listening information, and it's constantly getting new posts. Well, you can sign up to get a notification via email when there's a new post. And I've done that, of course. I've been doing that for years. And I think it was yesterday, maybe this morning, I got a message that says Alan Rowe has updated his music on shortwave listing. And here is the article right here. And then right here is the link to download his list. And a couple of people say, Tom, there's nothing on shortwave. Well, they're kind of right. There's not as much on shortwave as there was 20 years ago, but there's still plenty of stuff on shortwave. And if you're interested in the music, there's lots of music. So let's just take this link. I've already clicked on it right here. And here's the listing. We go back to the top. There it is. A selection of music programs on shortwave. And this was updated March of 2023 and it's good up until October 29th. And that's when the databases that he uses get updated, and then he extracts only the music listings, and that's what you're seeing here. And you can download this PDF and then scan through it. So like it's 1430 UTC, so I'll come down here to 1430. You can see it's a long list. So here we are, 1400. And you can go through this and it shows you what time it's on, what the name of the station is, and what the name of the program, music program, being broadcast at that time, and the frequency. And I tried using my RSP Duo, my Duo, and it's connected to my G5RV antenna, which is about 40 years old, so I don't know how good that antenna is, but that's the only antenna I have coming into my office where I do my videos. And I was able to receive a few. I mean, it's right now it's 10:30 in the morning, which is a little late at my location, as local time, at my location to receive shortwave. Usually in the early morning, late afternoon, or night's the best time. So I did find this one right here, WRMI, which is close to me, down in Miami, and they were broadcasting music. So if you're into music, number one, and you like to get a variety of music, if you live in the United States, something different than the music in the United States, check out this listing. I'll go back to SWLING, and it's this article right here. It's version 6.0, and I really want to thank Alan Rowe for doing this. He constantly updates these as the new big database, which has everything, comes out, and then he extrapolates just the stuff is related to music. So you can click on this right here. It will take you to this page, and then you can look at it online, or you can download, or even print this out. It's a lot of pages. Let's see, 36 pages. Now, see, there's plenty on shortwave. Just gotta look for it. Again, it's not as much. There would probably be 200 pages 20 years ago, but now it's down to 36 pages, and it's sorted by time, UTC time. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I would appreciate it. And have a great day. Bye-bye.